Hello, today we will be making tandoori chicken. So we got 10 chicken legs. And these are pretty big chicken legs. I would recommend getting smaller ones, but our local butcher did not have any more smaller ones, so let's get these instead. So the ingredients you'll need are all right here. So you need 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of coriander. Oh, black pepper. No, this is black pepper. This is cumin. And then you need a pinch of orange food color and a pinch of red food color and 1.5 teaspoon of chicken masala. You can find this at any Indian store or even Walmart or Kroger nowadays. And yeah, let's get to after waiting 2.5 hours of letting it marinate. So make sure you preheat your oven to 375. Not anything more and not anything. So we got our handy dandy Pam. And you spray it on. And that. Corners don't stick. Then you gotta lay it. Make sure you don't use your hands to place it, or else all the masala and all this stuff will get on the chicken. "30 more minutes in the oven after flipping it. This is how it should turn out, nice and red in color, bright red. It's not showing the color in camera, you can see it in person.